I'm Captain Will Miller with the Multi-Hull Company. Today we're going to be aboard the 2007 Lagoon 440 Liming. This boat is a true world cruiser. She's equipped with 2 autopilots as well as dual AC systems so you can plug in anywhere in the world. Step aboard and let's check her out. Liming features a long list of professional service in the last year, including new steering cables, new heat exchangers, forestay replacement, and so much more. Liming is furnished with cherrywood laminate joinery and interchangeable Sunbrella canvas upholstery in both navy and lime green. Liming features an interchangeable 4-person table with beautiful compass inlay, 8-person wood table, and 2-person surfboard style table, which means you'll have the right layout for any occasion. Liming's owner's hall features a large shower, a separate head with both fresh and saltwater electric flush. Liming is also equipped with a 60 liter per hour desalator water maker, 900 amp hour Relion lithium batteries, 1,000 watts of solar, and a 9.5 kilowatt Onan generator with only 1,700 hours. You'll have on-demand power wherever you find yourself. Liming's galley is furnished with twin 130 liter Vertifrigo refrigerator and freezer, an Eno 3-burner stove and oven, and parallel Victron inverters with 3,000 watts at 110 volts and 2,000 watts at 220 volts. Equipped in 2018 with all new Raymarine electronics, in 2019 with a new Doyle mainsail, and in 2015 with a parasailer with snubber, Liming is fun and easy to sail. For power, Liming comes equipped with the twin 53 horsepower engines, with new sail drive seals and just under 1,800 hours.